in a tide. This time, and underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked and loaded, ready for a good one today. It's time to see what the Firecracker is going to do today. It is FOMC, baby, the big one, the big daddy that everyone's been talking about for the last year, it feels like. But that first day is today. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Dude, I'm actually feeling a little bit fatigued. I don't know why. I think it's these late nights, a lot of screen time. And we still have a shift. We still have a rate cut or no rate cut. We still have the commentary during the presser, all of that. So we still have a shift ahead. But yeah, we show up every day. That's discipline, showing up even when you don't feel like it.
Hey, guys, we were talking about a few little curveballs there, and there Peter throwing another curveball. Hey, Chris, what do you think about Congress asking for a 75%?
Yes, Peter. Me and Keegan actually had a chat before the stream, and I said, Keegs, imagine everyone's talking about cuts, and then Powell comes out and he's like, what cut? We're just going to keep rates where they are. That's going to be the big one.
But yeah, guys, as always, before we get into the good stuff, before we talk about the charts and what's happening with, on, in, around the charts, Chris, will you open us up with some prayer, brother?
I will, Chad. Let's just bow our heads. Father, we just want to thank you for another session. Thank you for bringing us back here. Thank you for health. Thank you that we can do what we love here. Thank you for each and every one of the community members. Thank you for blessing us with the opportunity here. I pray that you will guide Keegan. I pray that you will be with each and everyone here, Father. We just pray that it will be a good day, irrespective of the result, and that we can bring glory to your name, and that we can just have a great session here. Either way, either we're going to win or we're going to learn here. But we want to thank you for that, and I just pray that you'll keep a hedge of protection around everyone's families, friends, businesses, relatives, everything that they put their hand to, that they will bring you glory. And I just pray, Father, that we will just reflect all of the honor and the glory and the praise onto you, and that we won't puff ourselves up. And I ask this and I pray this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe it, Chad, you can just drop an amen now in the chat.
Amen. There we go, guys. Absolutely awesome stuff. Getting the session started the right way, as always. So I think let's jump right in to the fundamental chats. Honestly, nothing really on board. We had building permits come out, basically flat. So I'm not even really gonna actually talk about it, guys. Nothing there you really have to worry about. Well, a little bit higher actually. So a little bit higher, but I think we can just then jump right into the charts. So
wait, let me just
keep in mind, guys, just to emphasize it for everyone. Again, if you are a trader and you did not know, it is FOMC tonight. Just in case you did not know that, the federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and then the press conference. That's what we're looking for, 8:30 tonight. So again, I hope you guys are ready for that, but just in case you weren't aware, that is happening tonight. Now, over to the charts, DXY, what are we looking at? Quite a bearish day. We still, unfortunately, staying neutral. Reason being, obviously, we spoke about FOMC. We've had two gaps in the market now, guys, so just focus on this. One gap and two gap. So just remember, both of those, they are still there, and they are waiting to cause some problems. When we're looking at the 4 hour, you can see that gap and you can still see the other one. Our weekly pivot is all the way up there. We have already tested our weekly S1 and held that, traded aggressively away from it, and then gap down this morning. When we look at the 15 though, the thing for me is that we are trading from our gap down to Asia lows back to previous weekly lows which we held. The big move to the downside, getting the EQ, and then daily S1 holding all the way back up to the previous weekly low again, and all the way right back down. So market's starting to range, starting to build up for something, and again, we want to see what's going to happen in this New York Open ahead of FOMC. But again, keep in mind two gaps to the top side. So again, that's why I want to stay neutral, but I do think if we can break under that weekly S1, dollar is in a little bit of trouble ahead of the news. Then NASDAQ, big thing for me, I said we are, pretty much for me, I do prefer the more neutral outlook on the day as well. Purely being just because, as you guys can see, I'm bullish, but we had the neutral move back, which we expected Monday. Tuesday, I expected us to close bullish, but we're having the massive pullback at the end of the day. So still holding this daily key level and holding this area of rejection. And now the third time we are going into that territory. So can we break it? When we look at the 4 hour, big bullish engulfing candle, taking that little high out over there. So when we start looking here, we can see momentum trying to shift now. I think if this can hold Asia highs, it is very good to go to the top side. If it fails and goes back down, this thing is going all the way back down. Probably previous daily lows, daily S1. Now let's go over to US 30. US 30, guys, literally nothing on the day. We are up 0.07. Just been ranging Asia highs, the breakout of the day, Asia lows. Back to Asia highs, back to Asia lows, back to Asia highs. And that has been the story of USD today. So just moving sideways, nothing to really worry about there. We know the EQ daily pivot in between the Asia highs and lows, so we can expect a trending market. So just keep an eye out for that. Obviously, we know there is a lot happening today. But when we look on the 4 hour, I will say, guys, depending on what the cut is, it can be bullish for the news. But that, again, is only happening tonight. I am anticipating a bearish sell-off ahead of the news, purely because of what we've seen on technicals. Same as with gold. All-time highs, tested how many times, couldn't get away from it, and just been battling. This was our pullback, obviously after a massive bearish engulfing. That's your nice healthy pullback to range, and now break back to the downside. So we're going to talk about what the firecracker is looking like a little bit later, but I am leaning to the sells on USD. I would prefer it, but we're going to see what we get. Now, looking at gold, again, this goes back to what I was saying. All-time highs, I am a little bit more on the bearish side here with gold. We've traded there, taken those all-time highs, pulled back. We broke the all-time highs, pulled back. Now we're holding this monthly R1. So, again, that was the test we wanted, and that's why I'm saying I'm neutral. Today will be the make or break for me if I continue bullish or bearish. If today closes underneath this R1, for guys that were in our weekly prep calls, if we close underneath this monthly R1, then I'm going bearish. If we can hold today, this was literally the retrace and the retest of the monthly R1 we spoke about, and we can 100% be bullish again after this. So I'm still very, very much neutral. When we drop to a little bit lower time frame, we can see same thing, Asia highs, Asia lows, holding this monthly R1. Very nice hold there. EQ daily pivot in the middle of the Asia range. So again, we can anticipate big moves. Break of the Asia highs, came back holding the EQ. So if this thing can stay above Asia highs, the buys do look better. But again, because of what the higher time frame is telling me, I'm not going to write the sells off just yet, especially not ahead of FOMC. So going to be a very, very careful day navigating the markets on my side. A lot of neutralness, but we're going to see what we can do. But that's everything from my side. Over to you, Chris.
Alrighty, thanks, Higgs. Okay, Chad, just looking at the data here, housing, building permits, housing starts coming out better than expected, also better than previously. So housing market looking pretty solid. If you think back 2008, everything was around the housing bubble. But coming back to the charts, DXY obviously very, very choppy, very range bound. There's that previous weekly low we spoke about, rejecting their daily pivot. Back below that key level, created a low, bounced off the daily S1, now back below Asia lows, daily EQ. I honestly feel it's going to be a choppy day. So we talked about it this morning. I wasn't even really locked in for a trade. I was looking for something, not expecting much. So US 30, again, similar to yesterday, there's the Asia highs being taken. Asia lows back above Asia highs, then taking that low there. So very, very choppy. This is choppy price action, chat. If you don't know what market chop looks like, this is market chop. Okay, so anything above daily EQ, daily pivot, I do think we can get another punch. Maybe take out that pre-London high, and then just come back in the range. And I do think we're going to trade somewhere here closer to FOMC tonight. Nasdaq also very ugly, similar price action around that EQ, around Asia lows. Actually now taking all of these localized highs. So, Chad, I don't actually know what to tell you here. It is going to be a bumpy ride this afternoon, and I don't think get too married to an idea. If I'm very honest, gold as well. Trying to hold below Asia lows. There was a break back above the daily pivot. Gemini taking a loss here this morning. Still looking for the buys though. Was looking for the sell this morning. Now looking for the buy. Okay. Above the 200, above the daily pivot. Very, very interesting price action here. If I go to the grids, let's check the grids quickly. All honesty, I'm expecting gold as well to trade in here. If I'm very honest, we've seen it so many times. If Asia lows get taken and then Asia highs, and we come back into the range, something like this, very likely it's going to be a chop day. So if we do not hold above Asia highs, chop day. Otherwise, if we can hold Asia highs, we can get above 25.80. I do think we can start targeting yesterday's high, and that's also, I think, the previous weekly high. Yes. Then we can start targeting that, but otherwise, gold is going to be choppy. I would stay out of it. And then SA40 not giving me an opportunity today. There was actually a little bit of opportunity. Yeah, somebody's saying in the chat, why don't I use IC markets? I didn't even click. I was using some other broker feed, but I am using IC markets. That's the actual opening range. There was a double bottom. It wasn't a clean move back to the range high, but it eventually got there. And then later on, I don't think, nothing clean, just that little break there and these two fails off the 200. But other than that, I wasn't really locked in. Had to do some other administrative work, but I don't think I'm going to take anything on this unless we come back inside the opening range. We still have that open gap there. But I think I'm more locked in for the cracker here today and to see what the cracker is going to do for us. But Keegs, that is my rapid fire analysis.
So what's your thoughts, bro? Cracker looking for sells, which I said I like, bro. I like.
I don't mind it. I don't mind the sells. If you think about it,
I like the sells.
I don't mind it. I honestly don't mind it. Yeah,
Because I'm pretty sure you mentioned this before, but what broker do you use for? Look at that catch, bro.
That wasn't bad. Pretty sure. What broker do you use for SA? IC markets, bro. IC.
Jam Play is not new. Been using it for a month or so. Forward testing on my Vault Funder. What did I miss?
What's that?
Linda bought the standing on 2,147. I know, and is that on the same $20 TP settings, or did you like boost it up a little?
Chad, I knew as a machine gunner, but that's the thing you need. Sometimes you need that machine gunner in the team. I know that guy that just wants to run. I just need to pull him back. But it's good. Like I know in his own words, he's a hammer. He's the hammer in the toolbox.
Yes, it takes a 0.2 lots on gold and $20 profit. That's crazy, I know. Crazy stuff, bro.
Chad, if you wondered, Linda is that. Have you seen that small toolbox that they use for glasses and stuff? It's like a fine little thing for small screws. That's Linda. I'm just like the standard screwdriver, and then Hanu's like that big hammer, like that's Hanu, Chad. So it's a good mix. It's a very good mix.
And enters 70 trades. Where does sign up for the Linda bots? Coming to a trading community near you soon. Chad, Predators are 49. Wow. I'm not even surprised with that anymore nowadays.
49-7. That sounds like a rugby score, but in cricket.
Same bank details. I'll say Brew favorite now. No, guys, I don't know what's been happening to the Proteas.
Early access. They play on a concrete road of a pitch. Dude, every night I say like I'm gonna get to bed early, and then it's like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. I'm the same. I've been getting chalk lately. And the thing is, bro, I'm not even like, it's not even a case. Like, I actually was saying to my mates the other day, I was like, I haven't gamed, I haven't done anything. It's just a case of like getting back, going to gym, back from gym, then I'm working on stuff. And it's like, by the time everything's done, I'm like, oh my word, look at the time.
Dude, that's the thing. I only play like one game just to like switch off because mentally it's like my brain is fried.
Bro, literally for me, I think the last game I played was last week, Tuesday or Wednesday.
All right, Chad. Also, Cape Town trip. We've locked in. We've paid for the venue, the booking. It's Tigers.
Don't say it.
It is not saying anything.
Because the only reason I'm saying this, guys, is because, Chris, if more people rock up than what we said, we getting fined.
I guess I shouldn't reshare the form. It's that I wanted to actually share it now.
You can, but then it's a case of first come, first serve.
Okay.
That is the number we have to cap it at.
No.
Because if you...
Let's see how strong our community is.
If other people rock up,
No, but listen,
just say you there to be there. Don't, like, you're there for lunch. Don't say
Chad,
you know us.
Chad, I want to be very honest. We're gonna actually see who the real ones are. Everyone that said they're coming, we've got that list. And if you weren't there, it's gonna hurt us. It's gonna hurt us to know that you said, Chris, Keegs, I'm there for you boys. We're traveling out and it's like you don't pitch. Don't tell me Keegs is on Aviator, bro.
I'm not...
Please don't tell me this man is now.
I played it once.
Ryan, I don't know, Keegs, has that mail gone out?
I told them to. I don't know if they've sent it yet.
Okay. Ryan, you guys are going to actually get 3 mails. The initial mail.
If you were on the list, hey, Ryan,
Yeah.
that's confirmed, that RSVP, that they will come to the event.
I'm just going to pee quick.
Because from the list of people that RSVP, like they were interested in coming, those people were all emailed about the details. If Firecracker pays today, their numbers don't matter. If they don't pitch up, then they must pay minus 3% more for Nighbot. Hey! When you go to Pretoria, I mind, so we're going to do, because come on guys, I know they are separate, but they're close enough. For this now, how much time is left before the end of the year, we're going to do Joburg Pretoria as one event. So it will be a big one, but Joburg Pretoria as one. So it won't be a specific Pretoria event. I followed the format, ain't got nothing yet, so okay, yeah, then maybe they haven't sent it yet. Chris, on the Joburg one, please make a section on the form for YouTube now. He's bro, they're not that close though. Like, that's the thing, bro. We'll do mid-rand. Like, we'll do something. Bro, we're going to have to look. Unless Chris and I are going to have to make it like a 3-day. And we do one day, we do Joburg. The next day, we do Pretoria. Like, Chris and myself will talk about it. But it's pretty close, guys. I mean, I understand, like, depending on what side of Joburg you live and what side of Pretoria. So I do, and yes, that's what I'm saying, guys. I understand, yeah, if you're going to get specific, they can get far apart from each other. But in general, you can do both if you can get a middle ground. That's what we were thinking, guys. Just do like Santon or something and do the event there. Yeah, there's a big Boerewors skirt in between Pretoria and Joe. Yo, you're still having the sell-off without us, guys. Sandon is the middle for everyone. Yeah, that's what we were just thinking.
What's that?
No, they were saying Joburg and Pretoria. So when are we doing Pretoria? When are we doing Joburg? So I said we're just going to do one because they're pretty much close to each other. Then the guys were like, no, but they're not that close. So I said, no, that's
pretty close.
I was like, that's if you're talking of the furthest point of Joburg to the furthest point of Pretoria. But I said if we do it in the middle of both of them. So you do like a Santon.
Okay, Keeks, real chat. Yeah, chat, sorry, man. I'm fatigued yet today. Okay, if we're looking for the sell. Now it punches below the cracker.
I'm selling.
Even if it punches out heavy, like heavy.
I'm selling.
Bro. Okay, so is that where we're deciding now? Because initially we said we're going to fade it if it punches out.
Bro, I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with it's easier to jump on a bus than to stop a bus.
Okay. All I'm saying is
I
previously
think we'll go back on the rules and the
because
stats
like
and we'll
that,
see
like that now. So you telling me you're selling? I'm just asking. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just asking. So
the problem is, bro. So here's my problem. Technically, we've never done this. If markets open and it continues, there's no zone for us to break.
and we fade.
No, like we have to break a zone, but there's no zone to break them. We've already broken all the zones, so it is a bit of a tricky one.
We honestly need to figure that out.
We need a pullback, this now. All right, guys, round 6, the big one for the week. Wall Street session is open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Here is.
Okay, guys. So we're just going to be locked in here quickly. We'll get back to the Chad. Are you ready for this, Chris?
I'm ready, my brother.
So are you gonna? No, but the signal is a sell. So there's no. Are you gonna fade it?
No, but that's what I'm asking. This like this now. If it closes like this, we said we're gonna punch it because that's what we saw last time. Is that it nuked us? So
I'm jumping on the bus, bro.
I guess
it can nuke me, but I'm jumping. Like the trade on Monday when I got nuked, I said to the guys, jump on the bus, get with it. I tried to reverse it, I got nuked.
Okay,
I'm jumping on the bus.
Okay, I'm not taking it, Chad. Just for a disclaimer, I'm not taking it.
Okay, I'm in, Chad.
I'm not taking it. Just a disclaimer, Chad. I'm sitting this one out.
If I lose, then I lose. That means I've lost every single rule known to man. Alright, I don't even move the TP. I might get smacked before then.
This is actually a perfect example. So we can chat about it afterwards. But for instance, this example is where we said we'll fade it. But I hope for your sake it continues. But I think this is the only thing that we still need to iron out. Then I think we've basically covered all bases.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Is that previous weekly high? Yeah. Yo. Ugly.
Okay, now it's a matter to see.
Just check
punch.
It's at the previous weekly high. So just check that level. Just have it on high alert. If it breaks this next 1 minute candle, I think you guys are solid. Yeah, it looks solid. Just check that back, that retest. Okay, so we're not fading it. So then we don't have a fade rule. We just go with it either way then. That's technically what we're saying. So we're not fading anything then.
Yo, bro. Now this is the level I'm worried about. I just want to see on the 15. This is that level I'm worried about now. Previous weekly high.
Yeah. That's where it can bounce. Good bounce there.
I just want to see what is DXY doing. I don't like that. Nasdaq. Go, bro. I don't like this, if I'm honest, but because the thing is, you can't manage this now, bro. Like for me, I was like, if we close here, like the next can, if it closes in here, then I kill it. But this thing can literally just nuke it.
I'm gonna take it now once it breaks back into the cracker.
What, the sell? So if it closes where it is now, you then take the sell.
No. It's still. Remember, I'm on a different chart though, so I'm gonna tell you when it needs to go a little bit higher. I'll let you guys know when I sell. I'm gonna stick with the cracker direction. I'm just waiting for a little bit of a safer entry if I get it. If it doesn't just run away from us.
Come on. Because that candle now made it so hard, bro. Like, is it fighting back? Is it holding? Is that just the first pullback?
It's gonna establish an open range. That's the thing. It's gonna establish some type of open range.
Nah, I think that's it, bro. I think this thing's gonna choke me now.
I don't necessarily think so because it can't get into.
Nah, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you now, this is it.
Where's. Chad, if this 1 minute closes bullish, I'm gonna execute a position.
Only there if it closes bullish.
No, this current 1 minute needs to close. Yeah, then it's only in my. I'm using FP markets, the chart.
Damn, bro.
Ooh, gold, yeah. As mentioned, gold not holding, Asia has.
Yo, bro. Everything looks like it wants to sell, and then USD will be the one that's gonna make us fight for it.
Bro, it's so close to the previous daily low. I think we'll just run it. Bullish engulfing on the not.
Bro, how different are these charts?
Still not, bro. Still waiting. If this 1 minute can have a strong bullish candle, I'm going for it.
Bro, how is that possible? That your level is only...
Dude, I swear, I'll show you. I'll show you afterwards.
Are you talking as in the first level, or the actual...
First, no,
the
first.
first?
The first. It's not even... It's not. This candle here now is getting close to that first.
What?
Yeah, this candle here.
That is crazy, bro.
Okay, chat, get ready. 10 seconds. I'll go split screen once I execute. Okay. There we go. Let me just pull my stop screen. I'm gonna chat. I executed my Kraken now. Okay. Let's see.
Bro, how is this? Like literally the same thing 2 days in a row. I'm basically in, or you in when I literally get stopped.
Okay, chat. Let's see if we get lucky today.
Oh, you, so you're the only one fighting everything here.
Chat, and I will add a position once we get to Asia lows. I'm just putting my.
That's me. I'm out.
I'm just putting my TP, chat.
Nah, bro.
Okay.
Cracker has smacked my teeth out this week.
Okay, a little bit higher, chat, and then I'll add one position. I went off with this one, and then because Asia lows are untested, I'm gonna add my other off there, and then that's the position. We either get clapperinoed or we make a young bag, yeah. As mentioned, expecting gold to, I don't think it's going to get out of this Asia range. Did this thing not pull the stop? What the flip? Chad, in all honesty, it's looking like it's going to do that range drop again. I think we will be lucky if we get this full 60. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if we start holding this little breakout zone here, then I might even chalk it. But otherwise, if yeah, 60, I'm happy. It is a FOMC day. We just need to hold below this level. Then I think we can get that TP clapped.
Yeah, bro. I need to just look at whatever chart you're looking at.
I'll show you now afterwards. Similar to yesterday when mine wasn't even close to that level, but Oanda it was like you said. But
There's Naz must be crying. Yeah.
Nas fighting back now. US 30. Chad, in all honesty, I'm actually just gonna go break even here. Just considering that Nas is fighting back and we were almost 70% to target. So if you consider this, we were 70, yeah, more than 70% to target. So I'm just gonna go break even. If it's a break even trade, it's fine. We sold the first decent pullback on a new low being created. So in theory, no harm or foul done there. DXY is still just hovering around the lows. Nasdaq trying to hold back above this level, struggling there at the 200. And then if we can, because Asia low is untested, 200 is untested. Let's just get, yeah, this is our opening range as well now. Almost break even, Chad. Break even trade. Alright, now it's only the only the opening range trade. See if we can get something there. I literally got slipped here. Even though my stop was at break even. Just want to show you guys. It literally did this little pump fake. Just a little pumperino. Just got a little pump fake there, chat. You can see.
Back at the S1.
So I just literally got pump fake there. Check there. It's a little pump fakey there. Anyways, that is unlucky.
So on the 15, bro, the USD is at the 200. Sure. So that's gonna be the fight now.
That's I almost said an ugly word there. For that little pump fake there. Alright, just pump back up now. Don't go to TP now. Definitely don't go there. No. Get away from here. Check here.
Yo, Chad. I swear the firecracker is just like out to get me lately. Just been trying there, guys. Are we expecting a crash 2024? okay, depends what you mean and what you're referring to. If you're saying a crash, brother, that's the thing. Firecracker is distracting you from the obvious. What's the obvious, brother? What is the obvious? Guys, Firecracker got him. First bars, it will work again. Can't win them all. Yeah, it's just say, guys, it's just been rough, and I can take it on the chin. Geez, where can I watch Powell press conference tonight? Is it streamed on YouTube? Yeah, it's streamed on YouTube, brother. So hold on, I'll get it for you now. So I'm gonna pull it up here for you now, brother. I'm just getting it here for you. Yeah, Chris is a manipulated market there, guys.
Chad, that is so cuck. I can't even make this up. Look here. Yeah, on trading view that I would have been fine, but obviously there's that little pump fake, like boom boom, take it on the chin. Anyway, yeah, all right, that is pretty cuck. But Chad, who took it? Who was still in? Who was still in? Yeah, who was still in? Champies, it's the one thing that we still discussing. That's why Keegan took it. This candle here is something that is outside of our framework, and that's something me and Keegan's gonna workshop. It's literally the only.
Sorry, Chris. So my brother there. So you just go search Federal Reserve on YouTube. You'll find it over here for tonight. I don't think they already show it, but yeah, it will be tonight when they're gonna start, when they're gonna launch it.
Yeah, that is why they say Forex is a scam with trades like that. But anyways, yeah, just to get back to that answer. So this candle here is the only thing that me and Keegan haven't ironed out. We've got two ideas around it. There's actually two scenarios, Keegs. There's one where it barely nips out. And then there's one like now, and I think once we come to a conclusion, then I would say the cracker is pretty polished.
Yeah.
Then I would say the cracker is polished. There's no there won't be any confusion around it. But yeah, that is unfortunate. I think Keegs also just got nipped. Yeah, Keegan literally got nipped by 7 points, if I'm not mistaken. 10 points. Bro, that would have been such a lacquer win. But anyways, Chad, that is how the ball rolls.
It's fine, bro. We take it on the chin.
Chad, who took it? Who was still in? Who survived that little pump fake we had there? Who survived it? Maybe you caught it a little bit later up here, so I think most of you should have survived. Still in. Hey, beautiful, man. Okay, so some of you still, I'm still in. Okay, damn, bro, beautiful. If I'm honestly looking at it, I don't think it was a bad decision to go break even. If you really consider it, we went basically 46. No, it's just one of those things. It is just one of those things. Hanu streaming the bot on Discord. Let's check here the results for today. Trade report looking very good. Let's check it out. Project Linda. Project Linda. Oof, look at that drawdown. Yeah, that's the only thing. I know this is what I was referring to. Look at that. So 50% drawdown on the account. So that's something we want to counter. That's basically 42%. So that's the only thing that needs a little bit of work. But other than that, it's for something that's still pretty rough. Not rough. It's just a lot of things to consider.
Yo, guys, firstly, I just want to say, like, we're not down, guys. End of the day, we told you this was the move. Before I got unfortunately wicked. I mean, I'm out just to show you guys. Like, that was me, guys. There, bang. Chris just went break. I don't know why he went break even so quickly, but yeah, this just running now. And for me, as I said, this can be a big move, guys. If this level fails,
Dono there for
this thing can come all the way back down, yeah.
London. Give me a young dono.
Hey, London.
Hanu, but in all honesty, if you think about it, Hanu, check this quickly. I think it's just the lot sizes are a little bit big for that account. But if you consider this, Hanu, check this out. So consider the risk-adjusted return. So it returned 46.66% so far, and the drawdown was 42%. Let's say 42%. It's showing here drawdown 14.88. But I don't think that is right. I think that is taking maybe just that a total set of drawdown. But I know if you take the risk-adjusted returns, if you had to divide your lot sizes by 10, then you would have still made a 5%, and your drawdown would have never gone over 4.2. So let's say you want to take it down further, divided by 20, your risk-adjusted return. So let's do quickly. It did 52% divided by 20.
Sorry, brother. Just a quick one. Sorry, I was watching the charts. If this rejects your open range low, would you take a sell continuation?
No, because same with yesterday. It's doing these pump fakes out and then it goes back in.
Okay, so purely just because of what we've seen, it's been
the last 2-3 days. Yeah, okay. Just purely because it's FOMC. Otherwise, on a normal day, if it rejects here, I'll take it.
That's I'm just asking.
I know. So if you think about it, 42% drawdown on that account because the lot sizes are quite big, divided by 20 gives you a drawdown of 2.1%. 54% return divided by 20 gives you a 2.7% return on the day. So if you just divided those lots and you made it 0.01, you would have made it 2.7% with only a maximum 2.1% drawdown. So, Chad, even that in its rough form, just playing with the lots, you can. But it's looking solid. It is looking solid. Yeah, I'm ready to throw the house, the bath water, everything at it. Profit factor 166. Jeez Louise. Max drawdown 44.81. Alrighty. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Am I crying a little bit? Maybe I am. Keeks, you know what I'm thinking now is if we come to the conclusion that this candle here that you executed on, to say we can execute on it, but let's say once it does 30 points because it did almost 40, you just go break even because it's a riskier entry. And then you re-enter on the one that I did. So you still go with the cracker direction. You just wait for that first pullback. And then always that thing that Linda Rashke, Modern Market, was it. She always says, if there's been a new low created on the day, always sell that first pullback. So then we go with that idea. We can go and retest that low. So I think that is a good idea because we've seen this just continue as well. So just to have all bases covered, I think that could be a...
No, it's definitely something we can do and look at. So here's my thing. I think USD is going to have a bit of a pullback now because we know that is a solid level. And looking at everything else, DXY not giving us anything yet. Things broke. Even gold's going bearish. Like everything's bearish.
I know, but I think the target shouldn't be a dollar amount. I think it should actually be a pip amount. Because otherwise, the $20, we need to make it a pip amount. Otherwise, we won't be able to adjust the sizes. So maybe just make a note for Linda there that instead of a $20 amount, we've got it as a pip amount. So currently your TP is set at 10 pips. So instead of making it $20, make it a 10 pip target. So basically a $1 move on gold. Then that will allow us to make the lot sizes whatever we want, and it's not a dollar amount and a pip value. Keeks, I'm going to honestly say crack 2 for 3 this week. If you think about it. Yesterday was unlucky.
Yesterday was unlucky.
It was discretionary because it was on the cracker level. So I can almost say because the actual sell came after that and it played out. So the actual cracker, and then this one as well is a little bit discretionary like we haven't.
I don't think you should have been break even on that trade.
Too early.
Why did you go break even?
Nasdaq was punching up and dollar was also ranging at the lows, so it wasn't creating new lows. So I thought US30 could pump fake back up. My concern always is if we've broken below Asia lows and it's not tested, that always remains a target for price to go back to.
No, I get you.
I know if that's the case, then we just need to work out that there's a variable entry. So for instance, instead of $20, so let's say if you if you go with a 0.1 lot size, then your take profit target should be $10 and not 20. So, and if you go with a one lot, then your profit target should be $100. So it's always correlated to the lot size. Otherwise, you'll never be able to really adjust your risk. It will skew the results because now you can go with a 10 lot and you'll hit TP with just like the spread moving. I don't even think because it's obviously still a testing environment. I think the lot sizes are irrelevant now because we can do risk-adjusted returns. It's just to ensure that that $5,000 account doesn't blow up and then you lose all of that data. So maybe do even a 0.05 with basically a $1 target. No, what kak am I talking now? 0.0, yeah, that's 0.05 is going to be a $5 target. Just to make sure we keep that account safe.
Hey guys, I have a 50k account which is 2.71% down. My lot size is 1.65. Should I drop it or leave it as? What broker? What instrument are you trading? Yeah, we kind of need to know that stuff first.
Chris, do you mind breaking down if reduction of interest rates would affect the price of gold? Kagiso, that's what I said in my post yesterday. Correlations can break down, so it's we don't know what's going to happen. In all essence, the textbook correlations: dollar up, gold down, equities down, dollar down, gold up, equities up. There's also scenarios where it's dollar down, gold down, equities up. So we're going to need to see the correlation settle. So it's for me to tell you that that's what the textbooks tell us, and that's what it's supposed to do. But again, first rate cut in 4 years. Nobody knows how to react. It's like you were in a boys' school for 5 years. You get into an environment. There's 20 girls around you. You freeze up. You run home. You don't know how to act. You've been in a hostel the same year. Everyone's going to be like, "Oh no, what do we do now? Is this a party trick? Do we order more drinks? Do we go home?" That's what everyone's going to try and figure out here.
Yeah. Unfunded next.
I don't know what their specification is, my brother. You need to, on your MetaTrader 5 on the PC or MetaTrader 4, go and click on the symbol on the left-hand side. Then you're going to right-click. Then you're going to go specification. And then at specification, it's going to show you the contract size. And then you need to go and check the videos. I did 2 videos. Go exclamation US 30, depending on what it is. And I did another one. Just check on my Instagram. I did 2 videos on it. And if you don't know then how to calculate your lot sizes, I do not suggest you continue trading. Just figure out that little calculation there. Because I want to be honest with you, that's one of the first things you need to be able to do as a trader, is just know what you're putting on the table. So no flack for you, my brother. I'm just saying you need to. It's very simple. Just go through that.
Okay, money mind. We get you trading USD, but we explain to you
go
how
check
to
the
do
videos.
it.
2 videos, money mind. Please, my brother. 2 videos there. Go check it out if you still don't know how to do it. Yes, FOMC tonight.
FOMC gonna be big, bro.
Big. I know, but the thing is, you sat through all that drawdown. That's why the loss is only so small. So I don't think there was stop losses on those trades. So I think it held it out.
Yeah, I think that's which is going to be the thing because
Yeah, you can't hold on forever if it starts trending.
yeah, like as normal traders, you're going to get a point. You're going to kill that trade.
So I think that's also something that there needs to be some type of stop loss.
Yeah, the drawdown almost got me on stop loss. Okay, so there is a stop loss.
Oh, is there a stop loss? Damn, okay.
Okay, then that works.
No, but risk adjusted, 2.7%, kicks, 2.1% drawdown. That's basically a 1.2 R on the day. Even if you can make 1%, that is.
And it would have killed it because each one would have been $200. Wait.
No, if you went, I think, 2 lots.
Oh.
Gold.
Yo, what's up, Alex?
Hey, it's been a while.
He was here yesterday or Monday. Yesterday or Monday.
Oh, really?
He was, yeah. The stop loss was 200 for each open trade.
Ooh, okay. Yeah,
Okay, y'all see that's rough. Akrim Salmi. What's up, gents? Yo, guys, I'm sorry. I'm bad with names. And you guys keep changing your names. I don't know how to keep up with
I
you
think
guys.
it was Kasim Salim, I think, or something like Akram Salmi. What was it? Or it was Nassim Kasim. I think it was Nassim Kasim, if I'm not mistaken. Yo, you guys make it difficult,
Yeah,
yeah.
always
The boys keeping us on our toes, yeah. What is that? Akram Salmi. Hey, man. What was
200 stop loss for 20 TPA. It was Akrim Sami, then Void, then back to. Oh, okay. So the one I remember is Void.
Oh, Void, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, $200 stop loss for 20 TP is something that obviously needs work.
So I know your trade is like Donvo.
Yeah, it's the Donvo bot then.
we got rid of Donvo. Now we just made a bot of Donvo.
No, but if you consider it, the stop loss is purely there as a hard stop. I almost want to say as a if things really go south. But I think there needs to be some type of trigger to say that okay, if you're still trying to buy things have shifted to just kill it.
Yeah, Alex, we also bearish basically across the board. Who remembers the Anton era? Oh, muscle buy.
Dude, Anton, that was a lot.
Yeah, that man was obsessed with muscle buy.
Listen here, plot twist. What if Anton was Jev? Plot twist. If JV was Anton.
But Anton was on the stream when Jeff was on the stream.
But Jev was always on his phone, yeah, at the bottom. You never know, bro. Plot twist. I'm just saying, plot twist. That is a plot twist of note.
I think, guys, that's when you know you're an OG. When we can talk about some of the real ones, the Antons. Who else was there? There was Anton. There was P1.
Oh yeah, shame.
P1 with
P1 is
Bitcoin.
most probably still in the chat because he still asked us. He's like, "Hey guys, I'm chatting and my messages aren't going through." I'm like, "Bro, what do you mean you're chatting?" He's like, No, my thing is just grayed out. I'm like, yo, bro, I don't even know how to get you back.
Yo, The Economist.
Who was The Economist?
The Economist was...
Bro, he started off as somebody that was...
He loved us.
Yeah,
And
he was
then-
like, I don't know what happened. I think from Namibia or something.
He was hiding in Namibia because
King Shack, yeah.
because remember, because he was hiding in Namibia or Mozambique because he looked for shit with Sanos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sure, okay.
Yo,
Shapalini. Oh yeah, Shapalani, bro. Shame, and I gave that guy many chances.
Yo,
eh.
no,
I
Chris was an advocate for that guy.
dude, I always, because he was sometimes for us, and then like he would attack Keegan, and I thought, oh yeah, the Spanish guy, travel something,
Traveling Wild Show. Or,
yeah, traveling wild show. Shame, he also came back for a while.
yeah, he came back with a
Traveling.
different name.
Yeah. Hey man, it's been wild.
That's been crazy, bro. The streaming life.
Bro, it's been wild. Chad, it has been a wild ride.
If there was one person afraid of it.
What is that?
The chat they're like, yeah, man's got balls. How do you start shit with Sanos? And they're like, yeah, if there was one person I'm afraid of, it's Sanos. Was Shapalani not the economist? No, Shapalani was a different person. SNR still can't. Yeah, guys, SNR is still, yeah. Nothing. We never blocked SNR. That was just the whole thing where the Chad was going at SNR, but we never chased him away. May the balance be up this week for you and the Chad. Hey, appreciate the donor, brother. What's up, gents? Which trading courses in SA are legit? Anyone heard of Rich Trading, run by Chris and Dwayne, and is it legit? They are scammers, brother. Run away. I'm joking. We have heard of it. We are mates with them. Yeah, bro, I think honestly it just comes down to just do your homework. Just put the puzzle pieces together whenever you look at someone. Check there. Forex essays. He was on the plug there. Quick. Thing right there. Go check out the video. I'm looking for Donvo in Miami, lol. Bro, I think a lot of people are looking for Donvo. Oof, is this going to be those gold sales coming in now? I got to ask him some questions. Bro, please don't tell me, were you part of the MAM account? Please tell me you weren't, because I know you can actually trade yourself. I do think he's also still Toronto. Chris, I see Joris is trying out a prop firm now. Oh boy. What is in, like, trying to launch one, or he's doing a prop firm challenge? Oh no, but some people I know were invested. Oh damn, bro. Yeah, I know that shit went south very, very quickly. Yeah, guys, I think Chris and I spoke about it. I'm not going to try to catch any reversals or continuations on USD. Ahead of this FOMC, we've seen a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Open ranges, things like this. First 15 minutes almost, 20 minutes of market open, we get clear downs direction, and then we just start ranging. So I'm not going to try to force anything. Did he finally blow up the MAM? Yeah, he finally blew it up. When this happened, so he blew it up. He brought it back he brought back some stupid little percent, and then this year, all of this all-time highs, he was trying to sell. So the whole time we were doing this, yeah. So when we broke the previous all-time highs, like over here, he was trying to sell, and it just kept on chowing the man. So yeah, when we break these all-time highs, he was just selling. But yeah, he officially blew it up. There's nothing left in the MAM account now. Which is the longest either of you have held a trade for to reach TP? Longest I've held a trade 3 days, and I just closed it anyway. It never hit the final TP. It was just a swing trade, so I just closed it after 3 days. But the longest I've held a trade that actually went to TP was like a full day. Like I opened the trade, let's say like 8:30 in the morning. It hit TP at like 7 o'clock at night. Shiny ball syndrome was applied by Don. Chris, there's a trader that trades SA40 here in South Africa. He's the guy with the dreads.
I actually messaged him because he was saying, no flack against him. Like I like his work, and I just said like, hey bro, no flack or anything, but you're not the only one. We've been trading it. So he was like, oh shit, okay, no, sweet. And then
did he claim he's the only guy doing it?
Yeah, he was saying like we're the only community to trade the SA top 40, and I was like, no. There's
go
two.
check out our streams, brother.
No, but he looks like a lacquer guy. He still said we should trade live. I'll be in Cape, and I think he thinks I'm in Cape Town, and I said no, bro. Hey, Togs. Is Togs in the chat? Togs, sorry, man. I saw you. Yo, there's Togs. Chris, I see Joash is trying out a prop firm. Togs, is he trying out like to start a prop firm, or is he?
That's what I was
or
asking.
is he trying the challenge? Hey, Chad, Togsy. Keeks, you remember Togs, eh?
Yeah.
Togsy, my boy. Togs, how's that trading life been? Togs
How many
took
people in the office actually trade?
Where? No, Togs went full-time trading, bro.
Oh, so he's not at the office anymore. Oh, damn.
Bro.
Congrats, brother.
Togs is going, he took that leap of faith. So, like I told Togs, bro, all of the best. May you honestly, I feel like when you take that leap and you have like a good quarter behind you, it just alleviates a lot of pressure. Like having one solid 3 months just solid, and it just puts you at if you start off well, just there's more comfort in it. So that's honestly what I pray for Togs, my brother. May the rest of these months in the year just be banging.
Darren is a retired trader. Isn't Rocket X his? No, those two clowns never owned Rocket X. Well, he's starting a prop firm. We both know this.
Is he starting it? Is he also starting? Hey, bro, I don't know. So,
oh my word! Why doesn't all these guys are just trying to start prop firms now?
yes, bro, it's like, what is going on here? Capital Bulls. Yeah, I only checked his stuff the other day, and I followed him. I like his content.
Oh, that's what his status said today. Retired trader. All right.
Ratchet, yeah, that's his name. Yeah. So I think we'll still do something with him. We'll try and get him down for a pod, or he just randomly the other day popped on. I never even knew about him, and he popped on my feed, and he does like videos where he's sitting at his desk, like from the side. So that typical, almost IG type videos. Very, very good content. So
Let me go check this guy out.
it's Ratchet. Yeah, it's also speaks well, and he educates, and yeah. So far, Chad, I haven't really deep dived into him, but so far, I don't have an issue with the brother. He's looking like he's doing the right things. So yeah, I think we'll even do. I want to quickly message it to Kiggs. I think we'll even try and do like a nice, maybe get him on for a pod.
We can meet up with him while we're in Cape Town and
I think he's in Josie though. I think he's in Josie if I'm not mistaken, because he still said when he's down in Cape Town. So I don't think he's in. Where's he based, guys? No, bro, that's the thing. It's crazy. He's South African. He gives you that rapper American vibe. Thanks, Chris, my brother. Our conversation about going full-time inspired the leap. Keep on educating and dropping gems.
Yeah, he's in Joburg.
Dogs, bro. Hit it hard, my brother. Like I said, praying for just blessings for that journey. And well done. And even if things don't go according to plan, whatever, give it your best. And the rest will be history. Togsy, but we next week we in Cape Town, my brother. So chat to me. I'm there on Friday. Saturday we've got the meetup as well. So be sure to pull in. No, he actually says South African Portuguese, so I think it could be from Mozambique or somewhere, because I think in Mozambique they speak Portuguese.
Yeah. Brother, I hate to rush you. We're going to call this a session.
No,
I need to still get to gym
Yeah.
to get back in time for FOMC.
Fed now 60-40, yeah. Yeah, Chad, that's unfortunately a young break even there. Let me just go here.
Chris, what area is the meetup going to be? You want to check?
CBD, Cape Town, close to the V&A, CBD.
I'm not going to say that close to the waterfront.
No, not that, but Stove, it's
Close to Long
30,
Street.
yeah, close to. All right, Togsy, we might even get you on the pod as well, my brother. Let me know. We can even do an online one. Would be lucky to have Togs on as well. Solid gent.
Alright. What previous stream to find out Chris said to watch? I see you guys in Cape Town, definitely, brother. Awesome.
Yeah, Chad, I think unlucky. Cracker, I'm going to go on the record and say 2 for 3 this week. Two weird scenarios on both days where, yeah. But Keegs, full screen.
Yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah, guys, just I think unlucky from my side. As you say, Chris and I, this is still part of the testing. We are still doing some of the ironing out here in the cracker and what it's going to exactly turn into with its rules and everything. Chris and Keegs, what about a WhatsApp group for the Cape Town?
I'll do it. We'll get it. We'll set it up, Ryan. Good idea.
Okay,
Good idea.
All right, guys. Chris, any closing comments?
No, Chad, I think, like I said, big one. FOMC, first rate cut in 4 years. I said, it's that maybe you were a virgin before you got married. You went home, and now it's like, I don't know what to do. And that's going to be tonight. I'm not saying that was me, but maybe it was you. Maybe it was not you. But anyways, it's going to be weird. I don't think the market actually knows what to do with it. I think the market is going to be like, we've been so used to the Fed just hiking, pausing, and now getting a cut. It's going to be like, I don't know what to do. So, Chad, big one. We'll see tomorrow. Bugatti ISP is fixed. We just literally need the tech guy to go and switch over the routers. Then we sorted.
But that's it, guys. So keep in mind, Prodigy, guys, remember, watch party tonight for FOMC. So be there. And everyone else, trade safe, be safe, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Until you find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.